going to die. Today or tomorrow, I must kill you. Yeah, because she wasn't there when I decided to travel and Rose decided to wait for me only for you to come and confuse her. Hello, Mama? Mama, please. I am not in the mood. I'm not in the mood. Is there any call until I get what I want? Mama, hello. Yeah, hello. Mama Chalu. Hi, how are you?
Very well.
Do you live here?
No. Anything the matter?
Okay, I'm looking for one lady that lives here.
Okay.
By the name Rose.
Oh, okay. And you are supposed to be who?
I am J-Boy. Please just tell her that J-Boy is here to see her.
Oh, really? You are the almighty J-Boy.
Oh, yeah. I am the almighty J-Boy and I am here to see Rose, my lover.
Interesting. Of course I know about you.
Really? Wow.
I do. I know you well enough to know that you are one hell of a stupid person. You're so foolish. So...
I myself?
Yeah, so this is all of you, right? You are the one causing confusion in my friend's marriage, right? You know, from the sound of your name, I was expecting somebody way bigger than this.
Like you're insulting J-Boy.
I am. And I will do more if you don't exit this premises the next minute.
I've made money.
Okay.
I own a whole lot. Then who are you to insult me? A male girl?
Mr. J-Boy or whatever you think your name is. Listen, you have caused enough damage in this marriage. Now, exit this premises. Otherwise, if I make a phone call, I'm gonna get your ass arrested. And this is not a threat, but a promise.
Damn you! Who are you gonna call? The police IG? The commissioner of police? Who do you know? Look, even though I don't know anybody, my money can buy me friendship. Do you get that into your skull?
Oh God. You know what? Out of this place now. Get out!
You're mad. You are crazy. And I will deal with you.
Excuse me. Stupid asshole!
I am still here! Tell Rose I want to see her! Amadi! Okay, what's it? You have to come with me now. Eh? Amadi, you have to come with me now. Okay, there's a problem. What problem? Leave whatever you are doing and come with me. Obvious, what is it? What is it? Amadi, your wife is cheating on you. Your wife is having an affair. Rose came with J-Boy. I caught them in your house. In your matrimonial bed. Hey! He was there. Do it. Huh? Wait for me. Hey! Woman. Today. Why
is Amadi running like this?
Get out! Get out!
Oh, what is it?
Hey. Sorry, it's Amadi's wife. Amadi's wife is cheating on him. I caught them red-handed now with a man called J-Boy. They were inside the house doing it, and she was there. The man was holding her.
Leave me alone.
Look at this fool. I am trying to tell you, demonstrate to you how it happened. And you're there talking nonsense. Please get away, you. Stop there!
But why would Rose do this to Amadi? After all he has done for her. The love and care. Hi, women.
J-boy! J-boy! Oh! J-boy! Oh, J-boy! Oh! Oh! J-boy! Oh! J-boy! Oh! Oh! J-boy! You're back. Sorry.
Why now? Why? Again? Rose, again? Oh, that is hot son. Why?
It was in my dream. In my dream. I'm sorry.
It was in your dream and you were shouting your lost boyfriend's name. And passers-by could hear you. People passing could hear you. Devils could hear you. I'm working at the farm and they are calling me. Why now? Why? 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 What have I not done? Have I not satisfied you as a man? Why are you doing this to me now? Why? Why?
Forgive me. I'm sorry.
You're sorry. For 2 years we have been married though. For 2 years we have been married and you're doing this to me. Every day I go to farm to find what you and I will eat. You lie down here, you'll be touching yourself and you'll be shouting about one man that you have lost contact with for 5 years. Someone that does not even remember you anymore. Rose, get it quiet. Am I not enough for you? Am I not enough? I love you. Why are you doing this to me? Stop this thing you're doing now. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. It is hurting me. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it.
I'm sorry.
You're welcome. You're looking so beautiful. How are you guys? Hey! Yeah. Come. I've missed you. Come here.
We miss you too.
Brother, I swear to God.
You're fine.
You guys are fine?
We're fine.
I'm back.
You're looking good.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, wow, I miss you.
I miss you too. Hey, look at you. Hey, Mama, latest. Mama, this is latest. Yes.
The making of yeah.
Hey.
Dimma, is this you?
Yes.
I have a lot.
In the car.
One.
I'm going for them.
I mean, I've got some goodies. Hold on. Let me open it.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me.
I'm sorry. Forgive me.
Forgive you. Forgive you? For how long? This is what you've been saying for the past 1 year. For how long? No, leave me alone. No, leave me alone and go do what you want to do. Do what you want to do. I'm going back to the farm. Just leave me alone.
No, please don't leave like this. I'm sorry, Biko. I'm sorry.
How can you, Amadi? Where is that J-boy, yo? He should come out. You want to leave them, both of them alone and go back to the farm. I'm okay. I just told you that there is nobody here now. Where are you here? Relax. There's nobody in my house. There's nobody in my house.
Go.
So how can you say that? I heard you loud and clear calling J-boy. I was here. I heard everything. See, let me tell you. You want to hide that man inside the house. You were there, yo. Agua daughter. You were there, yo. Obiozo, enough. You're making noise in my compound. I don't like it. Thank you very much for letting me. I have just told you there's no one here. I'm going back to the farm. Leave my go. This is a family matter. We can sort ourselves out. So go now. I'm not a bad person.
Obiozo, go.
Rose.
Naba.
Rose.
Obiozo.
I heard Obiozo. So you are now hiding the man. The whole community will hear about this thing. The whole community will hear about this adultery and fornication. Is it alright? Have you seen what you're causing me? Okay, forget. You see what you're causing me? You see the kind of insults you're bringing my way? What have I done to you? Is it because things are like this and we are trapped in this village and I'm trying very hard to give us a better life? What have I done to you? Morning, afternoon, night, you are screaming J-boy, J-boy. I am here, I'm a man, I have a manhood that is working, and you're having wet dreams about another man, and you expect me to love you. Rose, how will I love you with the things you're doing to me?
I'm sorry, calm down. Oh, calm down, Biko. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I don't like what you're doing.
Biko, forgive me.
I don't like what you're doing.
I'm sorry. I was feeling somehow. I was missing you.
You were not missing me.
I was.
No, you were not missing me. Don't say you are missing me. You were not missing me. You were missing J-boy.
No.
You were not missing me.
It was you I was missing.
But you were not calling my name. Just leave me alone. Let me.
Please.
Oh, leave me. I don't want to shove you. Leave me alone.
Come and help me.
I should do what? I should do what?
Come on, do it.
I'm not in the mood. He may go be hitting me. I should be leave me alone. I'm not in the mood. How am I going to function now? How will my manhood stand when you're calling another man's name?
It will stand. It will stand.
It will not stand.
It will stand.
It will not stand.
No, don't worry. You know how to do it.
It will not stand. How is it possible that my manhood will stand well when you are calling another man's name? I'm tired.
You know it will stand.
Leave me, I'm tired.
It will stand. Man, hell, you left us for 5 good years. Do you know that you almost gave us a heart attack?
I know it's a long time, mana una my water, you know.
Make me to understand.
I am back. I'm back for good.
Okay, so
yeah.
Brother, you see all those things you bought from Obodo? They are so lovely.
I love everything.
I mean,
that's just at least let's enjoy for once.
Abio!
We almost died of heart attack.
That's by the way.
Okay.
When is doing that fun at this family again?
Okay. Hey!
Nobody will suffer here again.
Okay, so
yes.
Hey!
I've made money.
Ijenko.
Of course.
Ijenko.
Hey! You know what I mean?
Brother, you don't have to say too much. From your car to your dressing, it's very obvious.
You know, I didn't just come back today. It's been a month. But I was trying to, you know, put up a little house in the city for us.
House?
A house in the city.
So you now have come to the city?
Yes, that's why not. Everybody is going to the city. Manachelopao, Kedu Maka Rose, you know, my love.
Yeah.
Kebono.
Rose. That one. Hey, she's married now. By now she should have like 5 to 6 kids, Abby.
7.
Yes. 6 to 7 children now.
Yes, now.
She's married.
That's a lie. Rose wouldn't do anything like that. I trust her. She wouldn't.
Don't even talk about that thing.
But
don't even talk about that. Because looking at you like this. Well. Bam! Bam! They would like to follow you.
Bam!
What are you talking about?
Because
forget about Rose.
Because
forget about Rose.
Ijiko de ezigbo ego. Brother Jinko. Brother nwere moto. Later it's ko nwere. Let's get this one.
One good day, I know that's the way. But the sun is too much. You cannot be doing this thing now. You want to bribe me now?
There's something you do somebody with some. You want to give it to a big child.
That is so
a big child like you.
Oh. Hey, that's the engine room. That's the engine room now. Oh,
I like engine room.
That is the engine room now. Don't do like this. Okay, I will do. Hey. Hey, we know why you come down. But you promised me that when I'm on top, you will not call that poison.
Am I mad? I won't call his name.
Hey.
Hey.
Finish me. Finish me. Hey.
Your phone.
Don't
me finish, can I start?
Wait, it's important. It could be important. Hey. It could be important. Wait. Wait, friend. No. Hello? Hello? Yes, hello? Yes, good afternoon. Good. Yes, my name is, yes. Amadi of Formata. What? Thank you. Yes. Thank you very much. First thing tomorrow morning. Okay, I'll be there. God bless you. Thank you. I told you the call could be important. I told you. Do you remember that interview I went for?
Yes.
Like 2 months ago, I was the one calling. They were not even picking my calls. They just called that I got the job.
It's like
I told you.
You got the job.
I told you.
If that is the more you should give it to me.
Things will be better. No, leave that thing. Let me be happy.
Give it to me in a happy mood.
Jesus, Sobotu Akisi Melili. Odiwanye di kagiyo. Ife ga sobwebo. Dadi di kamana. Why are you like?
Brother, you have to calm down. Okay? Now you have money. There is no girl in this community that is going to turn you down. You know it's your fault that you left her now. When you were leaving, you didn't tell her. It's your fault.
My son, she kept coming to this place, crying to us that you left her. She had no choice than for her to get married to another man. You have to accept it.
I mean, it won't happen. Do you know what I've done for Rose? Or do you know what I've done with Rose? Mama, it will not happen. It can't. It's unheard.
Ha! Are you now going to bring her out from a marriage that is almost 2 years? She has been married for 2 years, brother. 2 years.
Come on, 2 years. Opotachago. She is coming out. By fire, by force.
My son, don't even talk like that. Don't even go there. Because even God himself will not even like it. Huh?
Mama, Rose was the only one that knew I was going to travel. Yeah, I told her I'm coming back at some point, but I couldn't meet up. It's not my fault. I mean, she should have waited.
Waited?
Yes.
Why? Cheregi. For how long? 5 years. Brother, what if she had waited and you came back to disappoint her?
I wouldn't do that.
Please, you have to accept it.
Simple.
Accept it with faith.
Simple. Look for another girl and get married to.
I don't understand.
I'm telling you, I heard them loud and clear. I had to run like an antelope to the farm to bring Amadi. Amadi came back and caught the man inside the room. He had the God to hide him inside the room. And I came out and tell me, Obios to go home.
Hey.
I will expose them.
This is very bad, though. Amadi wants to kill himself. He will die, yo, if his wife continues to cheat and he keeps quiet about it.
Let him die. Let him die. And when he dies, what that boy will do to his wife? Huh? What he will do to his wife? He will see.
This is not good. Which kind of love is this now? What kind of love is this that Amadi will catch his wife with another man in his bedroom and you will decide not to do anything about it? No.
See, I'm telling you this thing for you to be my witness. So that by the time it will happen in this village, you will be my witness.
Eh?
Yes.
Witness? How can I be your witness? I was not there with you now.
You have to be my witness.
So this guy has been enjoying her like this. Money, crying.
Since Amadi decided that he will allow men to come and play with his wife. I'm a man. I'll be going there frequently. How can I possess already there?
The thing is, I will go with you.
Come on, you go with me. You want to start? Want us to start sharing who will go there and play?
You don't want to share.
Don't worry, I don't want to share. Stay on your own. I don't want to share anything.
You want to enjoy alone?
Yes.
Emotional and moral support, physical support, I will give you.
J-boy. J-boy. Oh, J-boy. Oh, J-boy. J-boy. Oh.
It's J-boy. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? We just talked about this thing, and you're still calling me J-boy. What is wrong with you? Stay away from me. Stay from me. how long will I keep living like this? For how long will I keep dealing with this? If Rose does not want to marry me, let her let me go. She can't keep hurting me this way. How can I be making love to my own wife? My own wife. And then she's calling another man's name. For how long? This is eating me up. This has gone on for too long.
No, again. What is it? Again. Who provoked you?
I'm tired. I'm tired. I don't think I can take this anymore. I'm tired, Mama. I'm tired. I'm tired.
She did it again? Hey! Rosaline Ozokwakwa! Mbu Rosaline Ozokwakwa! Rosaline Nginwa Ozokwakwa! Nuna! Hey! Hey! Rosaline na akwoke ebe ya na oke bi n'ụlọ. You're back. No, I am not back. Rosaline, I am not back. Rosaline, what have you done again? No, tell me, why are you hurting this handsome young man? Imakono mmadu muru onya. Imakono nna muru obagwa. Inapwala.
Sorry. Kono, forgive me. I will not do it again. Kono, I'm sorry.
What have I done to you? Rose, what have I done to you? Why do you keep doing this to me? Can you not see that you're destroying me? Oh. Why are you like this?
Hi.
Is it because you know that I love you? Do you think that my heart is made of steel, Rose? How can I be making love to my wife and then she's calling the name of another man? Do you not know that it is killing me?
I'm sorry.
And you tell me you're sorry. You're not sorry because you keep doing it.
No, I'm sorry.
Sorry, Mwogi. Yeah, Rosaline, I'm warning you. Rosaline, I'm warning you. Laja Kajogi, never na kudimba. Mbasege, never na kudimba.
I'm sorry.
Ina kwoke, ebeki no kebi nona. Ina na kwoke, manaki no kebi nona.
I'm sorry.
Ina puara.
I don't know what you two are doing. Alright, Mama, but I'm done with this marriage. I am done. I cannot keep living like this. Alright? This is killing me. You are destroying me. I know I can't. I can't do it. I can't do it.
I'm sorry.
I have waited.
I won't do it again
for too long.
I will not do it again.
For too long. I have waited for you.
I won't do it again.
I have waited. You can't keep doing this.
I promise I won't do it again. I won't do it.
No.
Obi.
I don't know what you have to do to afford your life. I can't do it.
I'm sorry. Obi, I'm sorry. Mama, help me. Beg him for what? Obi. I'm sorry. No. J-boy this, J-boy that, and you are living here with your mother, my son. Get in your in Ayala. Mona Gike may never. Get in car. Eh? Yeah.
Love, wahala. Love, trouble.
Mama! Obi! Where is everyone? Obi also. Mama! Mama!
Nemo!
Mama!
You're welcome.
Thank you. How are you? Look at you.
I'm fine. I'm managing.
Hey,
how are you?
You look really beautiful, my mom.
Thank you. You're looking so fine.
Where is everyone? Let me help you.
Look at the way you're looking so fine.
Mama.
Mama. You're looking so fine.
Thank you, my mother. Where is Obi?
That one? A man around town. I woke up this man, didn't see him.
Are you serious? Since morning.
Because how are you?
Hi.
Give me, let me carry it inside before you do your fine things.
Hey, Mama, don't say that. So, look at how beautiful you look.
Like this, with all this farm suffering.
Mama, like just this. Look at your face, shining. Hey, my beautiful mother.
Can't go Hey.
Alice.
J-boy.
Yeah, it's me. I just got back to the village. How are you?
I don't understand that question. I believe you have eyes. As you can see, I am fine.
That's good to hear. I'm on my way to Rosie's house. Please, how can I get to her?
Rosie's house? What for? So your mother did not tell that Rose has been married for 2 years. Quit looking for her. She's married.
Yeah, she said something like that, but I still need to see her to let her know that I'm back.
Are you okay? You need to see her. You want to let her know that you are back. What for? Your mother told you that she's married, Abi? So there is no need for you to see her. There is no reason. You don't need to see her. Rose is a married woman now in her husband's house. You don't need to see her.
You know, you people have been talking about marriage. My mom, and now you are saying it. Have you forgotten she's my lover?
That was a very long time ago. A very, very long time ago. I will not link you and Rose up again. I did that before. You left her. Now she is married. Allow her to stay in her husband's house, Jeku. What is all this you're saying? Anyway, it's your business. If you want to go there, I am very sure that her mother will welcome you with hot water. So you can go. Do you understand? You can go and see Rose. Rubbish.
Well, I wouldn't want her mother to insult me anyway.
Rubbish guy. Imagine. I should link you people up. You dated her, you left her. Now you are back to look for her again. When I'm still here single in this village. Walk out there. I'm not link words.
Are you serious?
Yes, Mama. Oh! As it is now, the company has called him already. Of course, I'm also here to see him so that I can explain more about the company to him. I'm so happy for him.
Thank you. Thank you, Mom, for making it possible. Please, let my mind calm down. Obi nata kwa no more.
I know.
Oh, you can't kill it. One name, Mado. I did the Jemba. Orgazi, one name, Mado. The only sister of Obiozo. The man they couldn't arrest.
Where have you been?
My sister. Where could I be? Yeah? I was there trying to see how I can put myself to be busy.
Have you heard the latest?
What is it?
Amadi has been given a job by that company.
Mama, gist him.
Your sister made it possible.
Hey! Hi, God, is this how you are? Hi. You see? This is good news, oh. This is good news, oh. Hi. At least Rose will stop cheating on Amadi in this village.
What?
Yeah. I caught them red-handed today. I caught Rose and a man inside their matrimonial room making out.
No.
I had to go to the farm to bring Amadi. Amadi, come with me. Amadi had to run with me to the house. On getting there, Amadi ran inside the house and caught the man.
But you never
Amadi, bring the man out. Bring the man out. Because what become Nobi? The thing has come to my chest. What is hungry me that time is to kill. Amadi refused to bring the man out. Amadi hid the man inside the house. When I wanted to talk, Amadi said, Obioso, go home. Go home. Go home.
But you never told me anything.
Mama, it just happened today. I caught them red-handed. Amadi collaborated with his wife to commit adultery today. I will expose them.
Obi, did you know how serious this accusation is?
Am I sure? When I saw them there. When I saw them. Hi! Rose.
Mama, I think I have to see Rose immediately.
Better see how. They committed adultery, and when I wanted to shout for people to hear, they said, Obioso, go away. Go to your house.
Let me just see Rose immediately.
If you have to see Rose, you see Rose. If you want to see her, Rose, you need to see Rose. Mama, if you see what? Oga! Let me check what you. Mama, I want to make a cocoa bread. Carry them like this. Hey, when the one is back. Oh.
Chineke mu, edema ho, edema, onye na-abi ọzọ, ọdịmma ho, ọdịmma, Chukwu mu dịmma, ọdịmma ho, ọdịmma, Nam, you mean this?
The Lord has done it.
Hey, Chukwu mu otu akede.
From tomorrow, Mama.
Hey!
From tomorrow, I'll be moving to town, and then I take a new job in town that pays well, and our lives will be improved.
Oh, Chineke motu akede.
No more farm work.
No kwano. Chimdeme.
No more farm work.
Chim thanks. I keep thanking God.
Yes.
I used to pray day and night for you to when they hear the man are you going what get them mad to another and I walk nubi from here to here from one fountain? I will record them. Oh God, I thank you. As I am thanking God, I am also thanking Ogasi, whom the Lord has used so much to do this.
Ogasi is really nice.
Hey,
I mean, without her, I wouldn't have gotten this job. You know, I tried calling her a few minutes ago. Her number wasn't going through. But I'll call again. Or better still, I just show up at work tomorrow when I get to town and surprise her.
Honestly, she has done well.
She has done well.
I will go and see her mother and take her also.
That's good.
That's
good. Mom, I will be needing your help. It's about my wife, Rose. You know, this will be the first time since we got married that we'll be apart for a short while until I'm stable in town. Biko, help me look after her.
Nam, you don't need to put application over this. I will look after her. Nothing will happen. No, don't worry. No. Let's just worry about what is ahead.
You started with your adage again. I need to get ready. I need to pack. I haven't packed.
It's okay, my
son. Let me prepare. Alright.
Hey, you know what? Mama, abroad. Mama gap on a city.
Hey, T-boy. Look at what you've done to me. What is even wrong with me? What is my problem? What is all this? I think it's high time I forgot about you. Before you ruin my marriage. What is all this? What's even wrong with me?
My husband just got a job. That means a better life. We moved to the city. And then I forget about J-Boy.
Why is it so hard for me to forget about him? Why is it so hard for me to forget about you, J-Boy? Ah, Amadi!
Love, 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 wahala. Love, 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 trouble. My mama want me. My mama want me.
Ah, I should have given Alice money. I would have given Alice money to tell me what I need to know about Rose and her husband. That stupid marriage must be dissolved. I love Rose. I missed you, baby.
You're back.
No. But I met Alice. Alice even discouraged me.
You see, I told you, there is nothing you can do again. She's gone for good. Rose is gone.
There is something I can do. Unless I don't get to find her.
Where will you find her? Where? The man that married Rose is not even from this community. They're not even living in this country. They might be living in Pakistan, Congo. Brother, she's gone. There's nothing you can do. Eh? Forget about Rose. Now you have money. You can get any woman of your...
Hey, Chibo! Who am I seeing?
My friend.
Hey!
How are you?
Hey, I'm fine. City babe. And look at you. When did you come back?
Make me shy. I just came in.
Are you serious?
Okay, now you're making me shy. Hello.
I look at you. When did you come back?
I just came in.
To think that I was just talking about you, I was telling Mama that I was going to call you later in the evening, and then you show up.
Oh, wow, that's a good coincidence. I hope you're fully prepared for tomorrow.
Sure, why not? All thanks to you. You know what? Let me tell Mama that you're here. Okay. Because we were just talking about you.
Very soon you join us.
See the way you are looking now. I'm sure you're grabbing all those city men.
Hey,
why are you talking like this?
Hey, come on, sit down, come on.
This is madness. He must be very stupid. Rubbish. Don't mind him. Don't mind him. He thinks because he's driving a very big car, we should not fall on the floor for him. See the way I answered him now? He did not expect it. Hot, I gave him.
Jeku should just go and rest. Rose is married, so you should forget her and focus on single ladies like us.
Yes, so my sister, you are right. That is why I did not give him the address. I did not now.
But do you know the house?
Question. I know the house now. Is she not my friend? Don't I used to go there? I know the place very well. Very, very well. I know the place. I know it.
See, don't give him more. Don't give him the address. Let me tell you. If I were you, I will use this opportunity and go closer to him. And maybe if I can have him all to myself.
You know me now. Don't you trust me again?
I trust you.
Don't worry, I know what to do. I know how to get him for myself.
Wait.
I know.
I don't understand. What are you going to do if this ends your marriage?
Honestly, It's not like it's not bothering me. Eh?
But wait. Why would Obiozo go telling you that I was cheating on my husband? Eh? What is his business?
But you can't blame him. That's the impression you guys gave him. Anybody who hears you mourn like that will go out with the same story. Hi, no now, babe. You're my friend. And I will not lie to you. I won't deceive you. Things are not done like this. Amadi just got a job. He's going to be well paid. He'll be given a house in the city. He will take care of you. And this man loves you, for crying out loud. What else are you looking for?
I know. I know he loves me. But I try you. Like, I try. God bears me witness. I try so hard to forget about Jeku. I try my best to forget about him. But it's so hard, eh? It's like as if I can't.
What is difficult in it? You can. Don't say that. Hold on a minute. Which Jeku are we even talking about? The same Jeku that left you without a notice. Hey, God. Amadi came into your life and rescued you emotionally. Have you forgotten? Have you? See, if you're not careful, this Jeku will ruin your marriage.
God forbid.
And that is when your eye will clear. Don't say I did not tell you.
He can't.
Okay.
No, he will not. See, as a matter of fact, I've advised myself. I have advised myself, I am going to forget about him. In fact, I have forgotten about him. I just forgot me. I have. I won't think about him again.
That's for your own good, though. You have to. Goodness. And you know, any moment from now, you will be joining us in the city, girl.
I know. I can't wait. Hey, I'm so happy to see you again. Thank you so much.
My Omalicha. My baby. My baby.
Just leave me. You kept me here waiting for a long time. Me, Omalicha. Do you know how long I've been waiting here?
My love, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, something came up. Eh? Look at what I have for you. Yes.
It's like city bread and biscuit.
Exactly, your guess is correct.
Hey!
My sister came back, so I had to bring this in for you.
Hey! My love. Thank you. Thank you. So she's back?
Yes.
Oh yeah, tell me, did you tell her about our marriage plans?
I did not. She went out. When she come back in the evening, we'll discuss about it.
You have to. Many men are coming for my hands in marriage. If you see the kind of men that are coming to ask for my hand in marriage, my darling, you will keep quiet. Even today, one came today. I had to send him away.
Why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you tell me? Let me come and break his head. For what?
No. I don't want you to fight any other person again. So that they will not say, Omalisha is making you to fight like a madman all over the village. That's why I didn't tell you. Just hasten up. Whatever you want to do, do it fast. So that we can get married.
Don't worry. This night, we are going to have a family meeting. We are going to discuss about it. By tomorrow, I'm going to give you feedback.
Okay.
Yes.
Hey! I like this thing though.
You have to like it. My life, everything about me.
Just keep buying these kind of things to me. It makes me so happy.
I want you to be happy. Anything about me, my soul, my life, everything. I'm giving it to you.
Thank you.
Wow. Hey! This is good. Now, see fine cow.
My dear. Now my brother has money. When no one can go jinko. I'm so happy.
My dear, I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy for you. Do you know, I saw Alice and she told me your brother is back. Again, she sounded so angry because your brother was asking about Rose.
Why would she be angry now?
I don't know. You know some girls can be very foolish. I know.
Biko, forget about Alice. You know her now. She can be so dramatic. Forget about her, Biko.
My own is this car. Hey! Chineke me.
Very soon, my brother is going to teach me how to do. Brother?
Mama is not back yet?
No, not yet.
Okay, I'm going to look for where to drink palm wine, okay? When she's back, tell her.
Okay, brother.
Jeku, I greet you.
Brother,
Obo is greeting you now.
Why are you greeting me? Yeah, why are you greeting me? Because you girls in this village think I am the worst man on earth because I traveled out to better my life and didn't marry Rose. That was why I saw Alice and was talking to her and she was insulting me. Don't greet me again.
Brother, this is Ogo. Eh? Ogo, Alice was the one that insulted you, not Ogo. Eh?
No, you shouldn't even remain here by the time I come back. Don't greet me again.
Brother, Alice is my friend. She wasn't the one that insulted you.
Hi. Oh, the mercy what this Alice has cost me. Eh?
I'm sorry, calm down. See, I'm going to find out why Alice had to talk to my brother. My brother is so angry.
Look at this. If I can see, if I want to know
this. Calm down.
Hey, I'm so confused. I don't understand. Eh? What do you mean you want to get married? How do you even mean? Can you explain this?
How do you mean, how do I mean? Eh? No, how do you mean, how do I mean?
Exactly how I mean.
What is wrong that I want to marry a woman that I love? What is wrong?
Ogazi, it is good it's coming from you. It is good it is coming from you. It is good you understand what you are talking about. I have spoken to your brother. I have said everything in my mouth. He doesn't want to listen.
Mama, how will I listen? You want me to listen so that I will not get married? Am I getting any younger? Am I not old enough to marry?
You will be old enough. Okay, fine. You're not even old enough. What am I even saying? Financially, you're not old enough. What do you want to feed a wife with? Hey, me, I will not allow you bring any girl into this house and starve. Because you want to get married with the meager money you make from your farm work? Somebody wake me up. Look at somebody that I'm trying to fix up in the city. I'm trying to get you a security job in my company and you're sitting here talking about getting married.
What did I hear you say? Security work for me?
Of course.
Is it not work?
Oh.
Break it. You want to get security work for me?
Do you know how much they pay securities in my company? It's a good job. It's a good paying job.
Oh. Mama, you see?
Doing here?
You see that your daughter is very wicked. She wants to get me security job. But she got office work for Amadi, where both of them will be receiving AC, enjoying AC. But Obiozo, Onyen Chafufu, Onyen Otafufu will be under the sun, opening gates for people to be passing. Eh? No cake and no cap will be passing, insulting me. I'll be under the sun, opening gates. You see?
You have a university degree.
Oh.
Besides, security work, is it not work? Are you going to be a security man in the marketplace? Is it not still in my office will be a security man?
Ask me.
Work is work as long as it gives you money and puts food on your table. Work is work.
Wait, Mama, let me even ask him a question. Do you even have a degree to sit in an office? Do you have a degree?
What did you say?
What did you do? What did you do?
I will slap her again.
You slapped your sister.
I will slap her again. Why would you insult me?
You slapped your sister. Why would you do that? Why would you slap her?
Mama, why would you insult me?
Why would you slap her? Why would you slap her? Mama!
I'm sorry. I am sorry for always hurting you. I promise you here and now that I will never call his name again. I've come to advise myself. I do not want to lose you or my marriage. Please, forgive me. You're a good man. You have been a wonderful husband to me. I'm sorry.
You know why I'm pained, why
feel terrible. Because I feel that you don't know how much I love you. Rose, I love you. With all of me. I don't know what you have done to me, but I am in love with you. But I need you to stop hurting me. This thing you're doing is one of the many reasons we don't have a child yet. Because each time we try to make love, you begin to scream and mourn his name. It kills something inside of me. I'm not able to touch you for like a month. So if things continue this way, how are we going to have our own kids and start a family? Stop doing it.
Sorry.
We all have exes. I have an ex too. But she's not in my head space. You're the one that I think of all the time. You're the one that I see. You're the one that my heart yearns for. All I'm asking is that you do the same for me. Biko. Please. Can you do that?
I will. I'm sorry.
It's fine. It's fine.
So, can we try it now?
You. Are you sure it's going to stand?
Definitely, he's always ready to stand.
You're sure to.
It's hard.
It's fine, baby. It's okay.
I will not leave you. You will kill me today.
Mama.
Mama, kill me.
Mama.
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 Mama. I've not seen anything. When you were doing it,
Mama.
When you were doing it, didn't you know?
Mama, tell your daughter to leave me. I'll beat her.
One slap is not enough.
I'll beat her.
I want another slap.
I'll beat her.
I want another.
Mama, I'll beat her.
Slap me.
Mama, react. React.
The one I did to you is not enough. I'll have issues with you this time.
Mama, react.
Stop this.
Why will she insult me? I did not go to school. Was it not because of her that I did not go to school? I used my farm work money to train her in university. Now she will not help me. You see my marriage? You must sponsor that marriage.
I swear to God.
Yes, you will see what.
I will never contribute to that.
Okay.
Do I owe you?
Okay. Okay.
Is it my fault that you not go to school?
Then I'll beat you.
Give me now.
I'll beat you.
Just kill me.
For the first time in a long time, we made love successful. And you didn't call his name.
I promised to, right?
Yes, you did.
I will not call his name again.
Please don't. I know I'm leaving for the city for long, but I can't waste you. Just settle them there, come and get you. So that we can make love the more. Be together the more.
Please don't stay now for coming together.
As soon as I get a house, it's not they promised me a house.
Really?
Oh yes. Yeah, they have a staff quarters where they keep their staff. So once they allocate one to me, I'll come and take it. I can't live by myself now. So how will I get all the sugar that you're giving to me?
I can't wait. Please don't stay too long.
I won't stay too long. They also said that if my performance is good, that I shall be shortlisted amongst those. They would take on a special training, and then when I come back, I just might get my official car.
Really?
Package of the job is too much.
I'm so happy for you.
I'm happy for us, babe. I'm happy for us.
Sister, I'm going to miss you.
I'll miss you too. Baby, can I take one more? Yeah, thank you. Can I miss you too? Just
I'm tired.
Just
Come and carry it. I will not give you this one. You are not going anywhere.
Give me my bag.
You are not going anywhere.
Obi, give me my bag.
Mama, she is not leaving this house today until she settle me.
Do I owe you? Hey, Obi. Do I owe you, Mama? Tell him to let my bag go. If you don't release this bag, I swear to God I will get you arrested.
Okay.
And I will make sure they deal with you.
Okay.
Obi, I'm not joking.
You want to receive another slap? Eh? You want to receive another hot slap? Yesterday night, you and Mama did what you did, and I kept quiet. This morning, none of you will have peace.
Obi.
You will give me all the money I spent on your education. Yes, since you think I'm not a graduate. You think you can ride on me? You think you can speak grammar for me?
Obi, I'm not your frustration, okay?
I'm
not the one frustrating you, Obi.
I'll frustrate you.
Give me my bag, let me go to work.
Let me see how you
Give me my bag! Mama! Hey, Mama! Mama! One more! Okay.
Mama, I will not leave this bag.
Obi, also give her her bag now.
I will not you. I will not you.
Let me now.
I will not you.
Obiozo.
Not me.
Mama, talk to your daughter.
Obiozo.
Talk to your daughter. Let them not say that I enjoy your daughter. Your only daughter.
What rubbish.
Hey.
Obiozo.
Okay.
Because I respect you. Okay. Obi, so what?
I'm the head of this family.
Obi.
You must give me all the money I spent on education. Take handout. All the money I gave you for handouts, you must give it to me.
Be trying me now.
Yes.
Be trying me.
I will take this week.
Obiozo.
Take your slippers.
Mama.
Take your bag.
Mama, say you are here.
Obiozo, give her her bag.
Give me.
Obiozo, if you want to marry, nobody's stopping you to get married. Okay. But anything that comes out of that marriage, you're going to bear it on your head. Okay. Give her her bag.
Mama, we know.
I am going to react now.
Mama, react. Chemical reaction. Chemical reaction.
Obi.
Compound reaction will not stop me. She must settle me.
Obi,
Never.
give her her bag.
Never.
Mama,
react.
Obi.
Mama, react.
Obi.
Mama, react. Mama. 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 Mama, you are not fighting me, oh. Mama, you are not fighting me, oh. You give me money. Give me my money.
Obi. Obi, you're trying me. Hey, Obi. Mama, Obi is trying me. Obi, give me my bag. Obi, you're busy, Mama. You're busy, Mama.
I will not leave the bag.
Are you busy, Mama?
Give me my money.
So you're busy, Mama?
Give me my money.
Mom.
You have to be very serious. So. You said Ogazi told you all you needed to know about the company.
Yeah, she did.
It
is fine, Mom.
You know?
No problem. As soon as I settle in, I'll call you. Okay, I'll call you. What is it now?
Missing you.
You're going to miss me. Don't miss me too much. I'll be calling now. As soon as I get to town, I'll call you. Just hold your phone close. Mama, like I told you before, Rose has totally changed. I confirmed it again last night.
It's good to hear this.
I confirmed
when you settle down, please come and take her.
Of course I will take her. So I don't want both of you to have issues at all.
No. We are not going to have any issues. Unless about Borokoko.
It's fine. I was supposed to live with Ogazi. I'm wondering why she's not here.
Obi, I think you should go. You see her when you get to town.
Right.
You are still new to the city.
True. Let me go. I'll check into a hotel for tonight and then just see her at the office tomorrow when I resume. Alright, Mom. Don't be like that now. Okay, you know what? I'll call you once I get to the park. Before the bus leaves, I'll call you. Then call you again when I get to Lagos.
Yes.
Is that okay?
Keep calling.
Be a good girl. Take care of my mom. Mommy.
Nam.
Gwanu.
Oh?
No, for me.
Oh,
You don't miss me too much. You know what? I'll call you when I get to the park. Is that okay?
Okay.
Bye.
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 Baby, I'm with you now. Yeah.
You will give me my money. You will give me that money.
Shameless man. Woo! Shameless man.
Obina, leave me. Obina, leave me.
This is very bad. Leave her. She's going to work.
Let her go. She will go late.
This thing is not something you fight about here.
How are we going to fight it?
Mama,
how are we going to fight it?
Because I'm going to lay curse on you. I'm going to lay curse on you. I'm lay curse on you here, Obe.
Go. You may go.
Go to work.
Obina, I don't like this, so. I don't like this, so. She told me that I'm not a graduate. She must give me all the money I spent on her in the education. In her education, she will give it back. And you're telling me to leave her. If she leaves, you give me that money, yo. Mama, you give me that money.
Is it her fault you didn't go to school? Yeah. Or when you made it pay? Or is it less for you to still go to school now?
Mama, you're going to contribute money.
Are you going to marry in a group?
My marriage will be on contribution. You will see it.
Because everybody will enjoy it with you.
Because you allow her to go.
Fight him.
You allow her to go.
Beat him.
Okay. I will come to your office. Why did you allow her to go? What is all this? What will I fight him? How will I do it?
Fight him.
How can she insult me?
My son, please do as you've just said. There are a lot of women out there that you can marry to. I wouldn't want any man to lay curse on you because you're on one.
Mama, I've heard you. Let Rose marry her man. Mana, please. What those village girls? Let them mind their business.
Brother, the people you are referring to are my friends. Ogo is my friend. The last time she came here, she just wanted to greet you. It was Alice that insulted you, not Ogo now.
Mama, I'll go now. But please, I don't ever want to talk about this again.
It's okay. God will go with you. Oh?
Okay. I swear.
Yeah, my son. I don't really know what you're talking about. If it happens to see us, we Rose leave her husband. I want to marry him. I want that. Although possible. One that walking that she will go. Now, let me marry no so. I want that.
You don't even have sense. Sense you don't have. Rubbish girl. See, it serves you right. What did you go there to do? Who were you looking for? He did not even insult you well. He would have embarrassed you more and more.
You're mad. You are very, in fact, you're mad. Hey. Look at who is talking. Were you not the reason he insulted me? Were you? If Joko was asking you about Rose, must you insult him? Can't you simply tell him that you don't know?
Shut up! Come on, get out. Look at, you think I don't know why you went there? For him to notice you, so he will see you. I shower kobo. See, if you like, if he wants to marry you, he should marry. I don't care.
Biko, get out!
Hey.
Get out of my
face!
Look, see, I know you're always trouble, but I will always tell you the truth. What you did was wrong. You are fighting for Rose. Do you know where you left her? Do you?
Oh, I see now. See, as from today, if you see me pass another side, do you understand? Don't come close to me. Just avoid me. Do you hear me? Foolish girl.
Hey! Come here. Come on, stand here. Are you mad?
Hey!
Wait!
You're pushing me.
Stand here, let me talk.
Hey!
See, you think it's because of your size? Because of your size, you can talk to me anyhow. See, let me warn you for the... If you try it next time... Wait! Shut up, let me talk. If you try it next time, if you ever try it next time, you will tell me if I'm more foolish than your mother who left your father to die in a hotel room with another man. Idiot! Did you touch me? Are you mad? Look at this girl. Wait, let me fight with
my mother.
Let me fight with you. Think because you are big. Come on, get out. I will deal with this.
I
will deal with this girl. I will finish your head. I will finish this girl. Everybody come. I will finish this girl. This girl. You want to try me? You want to try me? Look at this girl. I will deal with you. I will deal with you. Everybody come. I will kill this girl. I will kill this. You're fighting me. You're fighting me. Hey, now.
Guy, I will have to be sincere to you. Your mother and your sister, they are right. I have told you this before. You don't need to marry now. You don't need it.
Abin, if you are beginning to talk from both sides of your mouth, I will send you out. How do you mean? Better talk straight, oh.
Guy, there is no money now. You know how both of us we have been suffering to make it here. Don't let Omalicha come from nowhere and brainwash you into marrying her. Hunger will kill the both of you.
Let it kill us. Is it your hunger? It is our hunger, not yours. Listen, let me tell you. Ogazi will pay me all the money I spent on her education. Yes. Some more time she will come back. If she refuses to come back home, I will go to her office and disgrace her there. Let her try and make me lose my woman. She will see.
You will not lose her. If you lose her, that means she was never meant to be yours. Come to think of it, you said Amadi has gotten a job in the city.
Yes.
That means his wife is all alone now. Guy, are you thinking what I am thinking?
You're mad. I am not thinking what you are thinking. What I'm thinking now is how to get married. To my own Omalicha. Not to think of, not thinking of how to go to somebody's wife. Do you understand?
See.
How to get married, married, like traffic.
Think of hunger too. As you are thinking
married,
about marriage, think about hunger.
That is what I'm thinking. Not somebody's wife. So you can go.
Why would your son tell you people something like that? So it's not true. How can it be true? Hey, how? Rose may be hurting my son, yes. But it has not gotten to the extent of bringing another man into her husband's house.
Mama, what is over here? What did I hear?
No, you didn't hear anything. Please, Rose, get inside the house.
Rose, how are you? Okay, don't ask me. Why would your son go about telling everybody that he saw a man with me in my husband's house? Did he see any man doing something on top of me there?
Sorry. Because sorry. Please, calm down. Wait till we begin.
Mama, I cannot wait to love you. I cannot wait to love you. No. It's too much of him now. That was something he did. He went to tell August that he saw a man with me. Ogini, what is the problem?
Sorry. My daughter, sorry. That is why I came. My family means well for your family as well. That was why I came. So that even if it is true, we can find a way to cover it up.
Mama Cheru, even if it has happened, that means he believes you.
No, I didn't. I didn't. If I had believed, I won't come here. I'm sorry. Please. You know his normal way of life. If you keep being angry with him, that means he will continue.
Mama, let's continue. Let's become angry together. I will have it hot to Obiozo. What is the problem?
Please, I am sorry. For my sake, forgive him. And forgive me too.
Tell him, tell Obiozo to leave me alone. Tell him to leave me alone, Bikokwan. I've said my own. Tell him to leave me alone.
See that? You see Obiozo, he wants to put me into trouble. Do you know that since last night till this morning, we've not had a moment of peace? August even left the house this morning crying. All because she said no to his request of getting a wife. He wants to marry. Nketa Nkechi. Oh, we've not had peace. It's fight, cheerful, lively, fight. Fight every minute. I want to marry. He does not have shishi, penny. He does not have. On his name, he does not have 1 penny. But he wants to get married.
So
what are you not saying?
What I'm saying is that you give me more time. Let me gather money. As for my sister, I gave it to her hot. Yes. She left this house today with a drop of tears in her eyes.
Obviously, I don't want to hear this at all. What is this? Are you not a man? A girl that you trained in school, and now that she's working in a big company, she cannot give you money, ordinary money for you to come and marry me. You are sitting there like bitter leaf, telling me stories. Hey! Are you this weak?
Me weak? You talk as if you don't know me again. You talk as if you don't know me again. I gave it to my sister today, back to back. Yes. And that just small. That is just small. I'm going to deal with her. Listen, I have plans. I have small money with me. I'm making arrangement now. By next week, Obinna and I will come to your house and do introduction. Calm down.
You better do. I'm tired of these stories. Because if next weekend passes by and you did not come, I'm going to get married to another man. Hot cake. I cannot sit and wait for you.
Hi. Ogazi. How many times did I call you? Start sneezing wherever you are. Start sneezing, oh. Baby, listen. Please, don't do this. If you do this, I will die.
Say something. Do something that will save you from dying. If you don't want to die, do something. I'm going home.
Sit down. Don't calm down. Come sit down first. Eh? If you go now and leave me, what will I do? Eh? I can't buy a kata. We are still planning it.
When will this plan end? You are planning. I am tired though. I cannot keep waiting.
Listen, there is one call I'm going to make now. Once I make that call, I'm going to arrange things. Eh? I'm going to arrange something, and by next week, you see me and you as husband and wife. Listen, I'm coming. Let me bring my phone. Calm down now. Me and you stay as people that are about to marry. Eh? I'm coming. Let me bring my phone.
So stories.
Love.
Good morning, ma'am.
Am I right?
Yes.
So, how are you?
I'm very well, ma'am. How do you do?
I'm good.
Great.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hold on. You can have this. That is your appointment later.
Oh.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma. Thank you. I promise to do my best here to serve this company very well. I will not disappoint.
I hope so.
Thank you, ma. Thank you.
Well, our agents will be taking you to your house right away.
Oh, okay.
Because you need to resume work tomorrow.
I'm ready.
Alright.
I'm ready.
You can go.
Thank you, ma'am.
Are you leaving just like that?
Yes, ma'am. Is there something you need me to do for you?
Amade, the level of excitement in you should at least make you give your manager a thank you peck or a hug. Is it too much?
What, ma? I don't quite follow.
It's okay. Never mind. Just call me when you settle down.
I will, ma.
Alright.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
That's one.
Whew. He's handsome.
This is Oririn So. Eh? Holy Communion. Yes.
Hey, this is so romantic. You see?
No, this is just the Roma. Eh? By the time we get married, you will see the real romanticism.
See? Hey, I really can't wait. So, hey. Hey, life is good.
Yes, sir.
You see, that is why it looks as if I'm rushing you. But the thing is, I just want to spend time with you so that we can be enjoying ourselves. Don't you like this?
I love it. I love it. See, let me tell you. Once you go home, go and wash your clothes. Pack your things. In fact, arrange girls that will be singing for you. Onaba, onabeya. Onaba, ona. Omalicha, onaba, onabeya. Onaba, onabeya.
Mama, that is how it happens to wicked and useless people.
Mama, what is it now?
What is what?
Mama, we're cool.
You thought, but I don't want to. If you talk to me again, I will slap at your miserable face. Hold your greeting, I don't need it. Hold it!
Mama, she's greeting you and you are shutting her down. This is not good.
If I slap you, if I use this left hand and slap you, you'll be deaf. I don't want your greetings. Listen to me. Or manager or whatever they call you. Why do you want to bring problem into my family? What wrong did I do to you? Huh?
Mama, what did I do? Is it a crime to love your son?
Mama, leave my love. What is it? Mama, leave my love. Mama, this is not good though. Mama, this is not good though. I don't like it though.
I don't ever want to have issues with you because if I do, I will disfigure your face. Take your biscuit. Idiot.
Baby, come back. Come, Mama, this is not good though. You know what you're doing is not good though. Mama, I will react though. I will react though.
Beat me.
I will react though. Mama, I will react though.
Beat me. Beat me.
Baby, wait though.
Beat me. I will allow you to marry this girl, Confronting. You will marry her, Confronting.
can anymore combo. And I will tune up and throw away the drink. Useless and stupid people. I tell them, see the biscuit your sister box. Everything. You didn't even care about me. Don't bring money. No. You trained her in the university. Now it's this girl.
How do I even begin to thank you? I'm enjoying my work here.
It's okay.
They're treating me so well, thanks to you.
Come on. What are friends for? Of
Thank
course,
you.
me and you have come a long way. And Rose, your wife, happens to be my friend from secondary school.
Right.
She was very nice to me. Coming back to this village and realizing that she was your wife, oh goodness, I owe her. I owe you both. I'm happy you're happy.
I am happy. Thank you so much. So I hear that the agent that is meant to take me to the new apartment is waiting for me.
Oh.
So I just meet him up, and when I return, we'll talk more.
It's okay, my darling. Enjoy. I promise you, you're gonna like the house. It's
So
a very beautiful place.
Wow.
You know the guy that was sacked?
Mm-hmm.
He lived there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's a nice place. Trust me.
All right. Now. My plan is really simple. Once I like the place, I bring Rose over.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I can't wait. All right.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Forgive my mother. Please.
What is all this? What is all this embarrassment for? Tell me, why is everybody attacking me like a bee? Fin, fin, fin. What is it? Am I the only girl in this village that wants to get married to a man that she loves? What is it?
Please, please. I will make it up to you. Eh? Trust me. You see my mother? I will give it hot to them. She and my sister, they will gather for us. They will gather for us in this village.
They better gather for you people. Because if I enter into that family, enter into your family as your wife, hey, I will not take this all. That's your mother. I will show her that I'm not the little girl that she thinks I am. What is it now? See, I'm going inside. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. And as for you, I'm giving you 1 week. 1 week to come and marry me. Else.
Baby, go inside. Go and prepare. I am coming very soon. I am coming soon to take you as my wife. As my mother. Hey, heaven. Get ready and prepare for war, because there is going to be a war in one family like that.
What? Babe! Are you serious? You mean J-Boy is back?
He's back now. I told you he's back. Do you know the idiot was trying to find a way to connect back with you?
Are you serious? Why didn't you call me now?
Yeah. Rose. Why are you happy that he's back? Why are you excited?
I'm happy now. At least I want to see him.
Rose.
To talk to him.
Rose, are you okay? I'm okay. Don't even tell me that you are still in love with J-Boy.
Yes, I'm still in love with him. No, I don't love him again. But I just want to see him. You know, talk to him. I just want to see him. Do you know that since I got married to my husband, I've been having issues with him because of J-Boy?
What?
Yes, because I always see him in my dreams.
Rose.
That's not all. The worst is, I always scream his name whenever my husband is making love to me.
Rose!
Don't shout. Don't shout. Itina.
Rose, are you okay?
I'm
okay.
Nothing.
Do you know how much I hated that guy? Listen to the way I reacted when I saw him. What?
Hi. Babe, Makagini is the ground. Why? Why? See, I know we are angry with him, but you have to calm down, Butobi. At least let's hear him out to understand why he ran away like that. Biko, please, just help me get his phone number. Let me talk to him. Help me connect with him again.
Rose, you're not serious. Rose, something is wrong with you. I regret coming here. Shame on you. To see Akwage. What did I do wrong? I'm a little job with Alice, Ha!
Is this love unbreakable? Is this love?
So J-Boy is back. This is very shameful. This is a shameful thing that at your age you don't have a grandchild and you don't want to have. Don't you think about it? Hey!
Don't insult me.
Don't ever insult me because I'm going to lay a curse on you. Let me see where those your grandchildren will come from because I will finish you.
Mama, this is what you have been saying. This is what you have been saying. Truth is bitter. You know what? You know that what I'm telling you is true, but you don't want to accept it. Huh? Look at your daughter, Ogazi. In her beauty and education, upon she has been in the city, she has never for one day come to this house and bring a man to this house, even if the one with one leg say, "This is my husband," so that you start having grandchildren, and you don't care about it. Now I want to do something and give you grandchildren and marry my mama later. You don't want to support me, Mama Demma. Is it good?
Obios, what is wrong with you? Why are you like this? Do you have what it takes to look after a wife and children you're claiming to have now? Or are you planning to marry that wife at the expense of your sister's money?
Mama, if I marry the girl at the expense of my sister's money, it's not bad.
Okay.
Mama, it is not bad. All the money I gave her when she was in school, this is time for her to pay me back.
Always.
Yes,
always.
This is time for her to pay me back.
Okay.
Because Mama, this thing you are doing is not good though. This thing you are doing is not good though. Every other family out there, like us, will say, you are only son, we want you to get married so that we'll start having children on time. Out there, Mama. But you people will not do it. I am the only son of this family, but none of you care. You don't care to say, go and marry Omaricha. Me, I'm trying to do it for myself, and both of you want to fight me. Is it a bad thing? The only son of the family wants to get married, and you don't want to support me. Mama, Mama, I want to tell you the truth.
Obiozom, you did not buy biscuits. Someone else bought. Allow me to eat this one your sister bought in peace. Biko, I'm begging you.
Mama,
let me eat it in peace and enjoy it.
Mama,
from the city.
Biscuit is your problem. Let biscuit it, Taba. The one you spoiled off is here. Look at it. Let biscuit it, Taba. I'm talking about grandchildren. You're talking about biscuits. Other women are talking about grandchildren, and you're here talking about grand biscuits. You will have factory of biscuit and you eat it. Taba biscuit. Eat biscuit. No problem. No, Mama. Taba biscuit. You see biscuit. Children will be biscuit will be singing in your belly. Biscuit, biscuit, taba biscuit, 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 taba biscuit. No problem.
A fool, idiot.
No problem. No problem, Mama.
It's paying you. Let him pay you. Paying you have eaten it. Because I'm not allowed you to give it to a manager.
Mama, I will give you people one. No problem. You see that biscuit? I will bring one container of biscuit for you. You will finish it. No problem.
Is this love unbreakable?
Alice, please. Just help me get his number. I just want to talk to him, Bikon. Oh, please. Just help me with his number.
Even when you're married, you still expect him to marry you. When you're supposed to tell me to marry him now, you're here talking rubbish.
Alice, I know hearing me. Just help me with his number, Bikono.
Rose, I will not be a party to it. Rose, I will not give you J-Boy's number. You're a married woman. Why do you want his number? Shame on you. Shame on you, Rose.
What is her problem now, eh? This kid doesn't want to give me this number. How do I get his number? Hi. I have to look for a way to get his number.
Nice place.
It's a nice place. I like the place. It's really nice, and it's also in an estate, which is quite residential and nice. I like.
That's why I told you that time that I am the company's agent.
Each
time they want house, I'm the one they normally call.
I see.
And the last guy that was living here,
right,
that they sacked, the guy was even enjoying this place before they sacked him.
Unfortunately.
And the good part of it again, the landlord also is a good person.
That's nice.
You will enjoy it as well.
I hope so. I hope so.
You will.
I'm positive.
My chairman! I'm good, my chairman. Anything, my boy?
How are you?
I'm good, dude. This is why I see you today. I don't say things go better.
Of course. Are you busy?
Not really, but I'm here to show my clients this house, if he will like it.
Okay. When you're done, come to the house. Let's talk.
Hey, my chama! I'll do that.
No problem.
Hey, big car. Hey, what going on?
See you,
No. My chama! I trust you. You see me there? Hi.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay.
That's my guy. He just came back from abroad.
I see.
The guy is into cash. I'm even the person that sold the house to him down there.
Oh, okay. He stays down the road.
Yes.
Huh? Okay.
I don't know now. He said I should come and see him. I don't know if you have chance so that we'll go together.
Stop it. Still work time. I have to get back to the office. And also let them know that I have seen the property and I like it. Yeah.
That's good.
So once I have that talk with my people, we'll get back to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mom, Amadi is like a brother to me. His wife is my friend. As a matter of fact, my best friend. We all from the same village, Mom. Besides, I was the one who told him about the vacancy at the office before he applied. Mom.
Really?
Yes, Mom. I am not having an affair with him.
You had better not. If you love your job in this office.
Absolutely.
What were you discussing with him out there?
Mom, nothing serious really. He was only telling me how excited he is about the job and, the house. Everything generally about his condition. Like, he's excited about his condition just turning around all of a sudden. That's all.
Orgasm.
No.
I hope you understand what I mean.
I do, Mom.
Mind your job in this office while he does.
Yes, Mom.
Do I make myself clear?
Yes, Mom.
Excuse me.
Okay.
Hi. So he's now rich. Hi. Why didn't I wait for him? I should have waited for him. He's back. And rich. Hey. What did I do to myself? Why did I run faster than my shadow? I should have waited for J-Boy. I should have waited for him. Hi. Let me see. How is he looking now? I can't wait to see his face. See his eyes so bright. He makes his face so bright.
See whose face?
Mama. Mama. My husband. You startled me.
Whose face do you want to see?
My husband. My husband, Amadi.
Rosaline, I hope what I'm thinking is not happening again.
No, God forbid. Never. Mama, Mama, why would you think of such a thing? Eh? I've changed. I'm now a new person. Remember, my husband told you before he left. He confirmed it that night. I've changed. I can't do such a thing again. I'm responsible now. Eh? I can't. I was just thinking about my husband, Amadi. Eh?
It's okay.
I miss him.
It's okay.
He just left me here.
Don't worry. He will call you when he's done. You know?
Okay. Mama, there is problem.
Problem? What problem?
Mama, it's my mother.
What? Give me name.
I called her a few minutes ago and she told me that she's sick.
Hey, what?
Mama, my mother is very sick. Oh, very sick.
Hey.
Yes.
What do you want to do?
Mama, I'm thinking. I don't know if you would allow me to go and see her. You know, she's my only mother.
When do you want to go?
Mama, kita. Oh, right now.
Biko biagaba.
Okay. Thank you.
Hey.
Mama, I'm scared.
Stop crying. Go wear your clothes.
I don't know if she's going to recover.
She will recover.
Amen. Let me go back.
Ew. Mbulogo wine. Hey, mbao.
My guy. Let's enjoy this, you know? Yeah.
This will make sense now.
So, it's a foreign brandy. You know, I'm just coming back from my travel. I want to see my mom. Thanks a lot. I need a babe. Yes, I need a babe. Someone very beautiful and sexy.
But Jamal! Okay, nah, that's the beat. Okay. Hey.
Yeah. Obvious.
That's what Jamal.
I want a babe. Someone very beautiful. You know, someone who knows her whereabouts, handling a man. You understand what I mean?
Napoli. Oh, Chama, this babes day. Babes day. You know, that's the B. Oh, no, just to talk. Tell us what you want, and we'll supply it in abundance.
Call someone for me. That's what I want for me.
I will do it immediately.
All right.
I will go for you now. See, my mama can tell you, this one I won't call now, now malaria reducer. On will go.
No problem.
Hey, Chairman, see this one. This one not correct. On will go.
Sexy.
Malaria reducer.
And she's tall. Okay, I want her. Whatever it will cost. I want her. I'm just coming back from the village. Was told that I love her. Just got married to one guy. Not happy at all. Not happy.
Don't worry. You don't guess it. The two they misbehave. But as person you don't balance where you get money. Now anything when you talk, now you go do for you. Money is happiness.
Put on call. Hello?
What? Jeku is back to this village again?
Yes, so Mama, Jeku is back. Mama, do you know that he was on his way to your house? But I saw him and I gave it hot to him.
God will punish that boy. Well, I'm not bothered. My daughter is now married. Happily married though.
Mama, that is exactly why I am here. Mama, I am coming from Rose's husband's village. I saw Rose.
Really?
Yes, Mama.
How is she?
Mama, Rose is fine, no. But, Mama, I told Rose that Jeku was back from the city. You needed to see the way Rose was jumping. She was so excited because Jeku is back from the city. Mama, I came here to tell you.
You don't know what you're talking about.
Mama, I know what I am talking about, 100%. Mama, I know what I'm saying. I was so disappointed. Like, it pained me so much. Mama, do you know she was asking me for Jeku's phone number? For her to call him, if possible, see him.
What? My daughter said this.
Mama, she said all this. She said everything. Mama, hold Rose. I came here to tell you, sir, you will warn her. You know how Rose is. If Rose should see Jeku now, there will be problem. Already she's telling me that they have problem in her house. Because she's always seen Jeku in the dream. Every night she's seen Jeku. Every night she's seen Jeku.
Chimo, Gimme. You mean my daughter Rose said all this?
Mama, she said it. How will I lie to you now? Ha.
Alice, thank you. Thank you very much for informing me. First thing tomorrow, I'm going to Amago village to find out if she is mad or anything.
Mama, it's better.
Thank you, my daughter.
You're welcome. It's better, you know.
This boy again.
Tomorrow morning, be going to Amago. Go and find out. Because it is somehow, Mama. They should not see. Mama, try your best. Don't allow them to see. Mama, if Rose should see Jeku, there will be serious problem. That girl is in love with Jeku too much. She loves that boy too much. She loves Jeku too much, Mama.
This Jeku again.
Say, let me tell you, you know, you're like my mother. You're like my mother.
This love unbreakable. Is
only many bike, where are these bike men? Can't wait to see you, J-boy. Eh? So you're back. Hey! I hope you're still handsome, which is why I dressed so well. Koma kwa na nwa kanebebe. Nwa kanebe ofuma. Nwa nebeche beche.
Now, Rosie. I'm fine, no. How are you?
I'm fine. Eh? Did you see bike men?
Bike?
Eh?
No. Are you going somewhere?
Yes, I want to go and see my mother.
Eh? And I was on my way to your house.
To my house?
Yes.
Eh, is everything alright?
No problem. It's just that I don't know if you can give me some of your time so that we can...
Talk about what? I'm not your fellow man, so there's nothing to talk about, no?
The thing is, Rose, you know that in this village, everyone knows that you are a fine woman. You are beautiful.
I know. Everywhere is intact. I know.
Rose, the thing is, I heard that your husband is working from the city.
Yes.
Okay. The thing is, I don't want you to be alone. You are not supposed to be alone by this time.
You mean somebody to come and stay with me, right?
No!
Money for that.
No. I mean, you need a young man to stay with you, to keep you company. That's what I mean.
Obina, wait. Correct me if I am wrong. Are you by any chance toasting me?
Hi.
No. Are you checking me?
Rose, calm down. If you say toast now, it's sounding somehow. I'm not toasting you. I'm only trying to be friendly here, Rose.
Hey!
That is it.
Obinna! It is stupid. It is very stupid. Mba! Have you forgotten that I'm a married woman? A very responsible one at that, Responsible married woman, Kambo. You are toasting me, Obinna.
Don't go there. Don't shout. Don't raise your voice.
Hey! Obinna! See, your fellow man's wife, keep the toast on the road. Aware? Hey!
Don't bring that now. Don't bring it up. What? Tell me now. Tell me, what is it that J-boy can do for you that a young guy like me cannot do? Tell me, Rose.
Chiru. Hey. Kitaka maybe has aputa. Now I know where it's coming from. Who told you this?
Rose, does it matter? It does not matter. Just calm down and...
If you don't leave here now, I will shout,
You will shout?
I will tell the entire village they want to rape me.
No.
I will tell them they want to rape me, Obi, now.
Rape.
Hey!
Yes, it's okay.
Obi, you want to rape me?
Hold your peace. It's okay, If you don't want
Get out from here!
If you don't want me, no problem. But you should know that I am a sweet guy.
I am a sweet
guy. and you will come looking for me. You will come beg. You will enjoy me. You will enjoy me. But think about it. So,
I'm bash. Girl. Chai. I know where this is coming from. And I'm not Obiozo. This is Obiozo's handwork. What did I do to this Obiozo? It's okay. We shall see. Because can they buy a car? That's the most important thing I need to.
This is for you.
Really? Thank you.
You're welcome. I want to use it to welcome you once again into this company. This is not how we do it, but you are special.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. This is really nice. Thank you. Thank you. You don't know how much this job means to me. Thank you for hiring me. I promise you're not going to regret this. I mean, after so many years of searching for a job and staying out there in the village, I get, you know what, never mind, but thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I wanted to ask you something else.
Yes.
Is Ogazi from your place?
Oh yes, we're from the same place. And then what's interesting is that after I got married, we also found out that she had attended the same school, my wife.
Really?
Yes. So both of them reconnected, and you know, so it's one beautiful web.
I see. Well, she's one of the best staffs we have in this company.
So I hear.
Please open the wine. Let's drink. Maybe we can talk some other time.
Oh, really? Here?
Yes.
I was just thinking that it's still work time. If that might be inappropriate.
Is this love unbreakable?
Mama, you mean this thing that you're telling me?
My son, I'm telling you. But why would your sister want to put us in trouble? Why?
Mama, in that case, we need to go and warn Mama Jeku. We need to go and warn her to tell her son to stop looking for my sister. She's married now.
I will not do that. I will go to Amagu village to warn your sister seriously.
Sister, just hold it right there. Hold it. Yeah? And you, see, don't even step an inch. Don't even step an inch.
What is the meaning of this? Ogineme, what is it?
Hey, you, take her back to wherever she's coming from. Now!
Mama, pause, Chiro. I'm confused. What's going on? Ogineme, Ogini.
You think we don't know why you are here?
Sister, bye-bye, oh.
Sister, you asked him to go. You asked him to go, sister. You are looking for my trouble, oh. Sister, you are looking for my trouble, oh.
Bye-bye.
You are looking for my trouble, oh.
Which trouble? Hey. Okay. I have seen that you don't have respect again. Oh, yeah? No, because you have gone to rub something on your hair. You think I'm not your mate? Eh? You can talk to me anyhow, okay? Okwi.
That's my name.
I came to see you. Eh? I came to check on you.
Don't come to see me. It's a lie, yo. You want to kill me. Eh? You think we are fools? That we don't know that you came to this place to see if you will meet what is that his stupid name? Jeku. Is this how I raised you?
No, God forbid. Mama, I am a responsible wife. I can't do that. You know I can't do it.
Come and sit down. Let me tell you something that you don't know. Oh yeah.
Sister, you came to see Jeku, not us. You want to slap? You came to see
that
monkey? That's idiot.
You want to slap him?
Look, is it Mary? Because if Mary can, Mama, how can I come here and mail? What is going on?
I don't know. You better sit.
Hey!
Go. Wow. This place is beautiful. I told you. Fire. Naija. This of your happiness. The one with the important to my side. Now my percentage, my share, as I told you.
Boy, cool down. You know, I will ever find you something.
Okay, you need to find me something, though. The percentage. My German!
You are here.
Come here. Come on.
Wow.
We're here. I'm calling my name. Is she not beautiful?
She's beautiful.
Wow.
You're smoking hot.
Thank you.
A boy.
I've
got it.
Have you?
This is the kind I want.
And you are.
Boy, this is the type I want.
My Java, I told you she's the man. You're the user.
Boy.
Okay, a boy.
I will go for you not to lead me to temptation. Nika. A boy, see you later. See you too.
Mama, what do you mean? So I'm not a bad wife? Eh? Just because I want to see the man that left me after all these years? Is that why I'm a bad wife?
You don't have to see him. Let him go. If I see that boy here, I will surely pour hot water on him. I mean it. Bet me.
Sister, do you know what this guy did to you? How you nearly killed yourself because of that idiot? Eh? Sister, why are you doing this now? Why do you want to bring shame upon our family now? Eh?
Okay. I said it before. You don't have respect again. Eh? Are you mad?
I'm not mad.
No, in Apuziala, are you crazy? Mama, in fact, let me tell you the honest truth why I'm here. I want to see J-Boy. I want to look at him. Ma, I want to talk to him. I want to look at him face to face and insult him. That is why I'm here.
But let me tell you, you don't need it. Because I know you. He's going to pin you down with that his sweet tongue.
Sweet tongue?
Rose.
Which sweet tongue?
Go back home. Don't even let anybody know that you came to this village today. They will laugh at you. They will all know that you came to see J-Boy. Please, Nwam, don't bring shame upon me and your brother. I beg you in the name of God. Mary Mebere. Mercy for your mother for once. Huh?
Mama, leave her. J-Boy has gone back to the city. She won't even see him. Yes.
Huh?
Yes, so, sister, you better go back to your family and just go and join your family in peace. Just go and join your family in peace. J-Boy doesn't even want to see you either. Let me just tell you.
Let me see the first.
Hello? Obin. How did he go? Okay. I'll be expecting your call. Bye.
And who was that?
My husband.
What is wrong with you? Are you mad? Why will you do a thing like this?
What bad did I do now? Eh? She likes to cheat on her husband. And I only presented myself to her. That is all.
Oh. You are crazy. You are crazy. Eh? Now, who will she be angry with? She will ask you, how did you know about her affairs? And you will tell her that Obiozo told you. She will be angry with me. Why will you do that? What if she tell her husband?
Forget that. She cannot grow the guts to tell her husband that. And she will be so ashamed. She can't. Hey.
Obinna, leave my house. Obinna, Una,
are you joking?
Get out of my house.
I should get out from your house.
Yes.
Why will I get out of your house? Because of a woman that likes to cheat on her husband.
Leave my house.
After we both planned it.
You are not plan what? Plan what? I did not plan anything with you. Listen, let me tell you. What I am planning now is how to get married to my own Omalicha. You better plan on how to get married to your own girl. Because if this issue turns up in another way, I will deny you. And don't call me. Please.
Oh, I have heard. Sorry, sir. I will not do it again. I will not go and meet her again. She will be on her own. I will be on my own.
Better be on your own. Be with your own woman. What is all this thing now? All these things now will be on my head. Obios are not everywhere. Huh? But I will go one day.
It's okay.
I don't like this.
Sorry.
You know, I told you, that lady is like that. She was married and she just divorced her husband the moment she made money. She's always been like that. All I need you to do is just be careful. Please.
Listen, Adazi, I don't get this whole thing. What is she thinking? That I am going to stoop so low as to having an affair with her? I love my wife. You know that I love Rose. With all of my heart. I can't cheat on my wife. It's not even possible.
Amadi, I don't want you to get this wrong, okay? I'm not encouraging you to cheat on your wife, okay? This is not the case here. Of course, I know you love your wife. It's even relieving to hear that, you're truly in love with your wife. But at this point, you also know that you need this job and you need this money. So all I'm asking you to do is just to pretend, please.
Listen, Agazi, I don't know how to pretend. Okay? The only reason I have not reacted is because she hasn't said anything yet. Or pretend that. I know.
Amadi, you and I know that you need this job and you need this money. The last thing I want for you right now is to be sent back to the village. I know what I'm talking about. I'm not encouraging you to cheat on your wife. That's not the case. But at the same time, you need money to take care of her. Don't you? Okay? So all you just need to do is to buy time. Pretend. At least for as long as it takes you to settle in properly, save up some money. That will be enough.
She was also telling me something like, getting the car for me. Yeah. And that she would like for me to be part of the group that they will be sending out for training.
Do you see what I'm talking about?
What are you talking about?
For goodness sake. You just have to pretend. Okay, let's find a way to make this work. No matter what it takes. It's for your own good. Look, the last guy that lived in this house wanted to prove that he is a man of God. This woman did not even blink before sacking him. Okay? I don't want your case to be like that. I pitied you for all the years you stayed in that village wasting. Okay, so, it won't take you anything to just pretend and work this out. Please, at least for Rose's sake. Think about it.
Is this love unbreakable? Is this love unbreakable? Love.
My love.
What am I saying?
It's me, my love. I am back.
Jeb,
Come.
Jabu, is this you?
This is me. Come.
Chiboy.
My love, how are you?
Is this you?
Yes, it's me.
Is this you?
How are you?
Hey.
I've missed you.
Is you too? Is this you?
Yes, this is me. Look, I've come to take you for us to get married.
Hey!
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
I can't wait!
What is it?
My husband. He'll be very angry.
Forget him. I am back with a lot of money. Enjoyment every day.
Rosa! Who is this?
Mama, this is J-Boy. Yes. The man I love.
Eh?
She's correct.
Maworaga. Didn't you know that this is a married woman?
Mama, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I don't love your son.
Huh?
Yes. I only married him because I wanted to leave my family house.
And wait for me.
Mama, he and Wadinobi, Biko, the man I love.
Hello! I can't... Bia! Hey! Ebe kama! Hey! Amadi mama no nebe! Hey! Nekwano Maworaga! Amadi!
Why would you leave me? Fine. Let me just rest a bit.
What is happening here? What is this? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? I'm asking you, who are you? Okay. You are the one who wants to steal my wife, eh? Oh, you are the one who stole my wife. Is it him?
Yes, it's
I will deal with you. I will deal with you. Oh, it is you. Where were you when I picked this girl up after you had dumped her, took her out of suffering, gave her a life, showed her love? Where were you? You brought her into poverty. Is that the love and the life you showed to her? I love her. We love each other. You love each other. Stay out of our lives. My friend.
I don't love you again.
My friend, respect yourself.
Because you don't love me.
Baby, let's go. It is obvious that this man has used charm on you. Let's go. Baby, let's go.
I'm not going.
Let's go.
I don't love you again.
My friend, what is it? You cannot face me. You cannot face me.
I'm not leave him. Leave my love alone.
You cannot face me.
I
will ruffle your fine boy. I tell you, boy. I tell you, boy. My love, let's go. Run. My love,
don't leave me alone. I don't want to marry you again. I don't want to marry you.
I will arrest you. You do. I will arrest you. Don't worry. When you go, I will arrest you. I will arrest you. My love, run. I'm coming. And what is the meaning of this? What will I call this? Please, you people should lead the way. Let me take my woman inside.
Son, that will not happen. I won't allow you to take this girl inside. This girl that left you for how many years? Now you're back. She want to come and sneak inside.
No, Mama.
Shut your mouth, I beg. Shut your mouth.
Mama, I did not leave him. You know I waited. Okay? You know.
Why didn't you wait all this while? Huh? Now you rushed and married a poor man. My brother is back, rich. You want to come?
Shut up! Shut up your smelling mouth.
Can you imagine?
Mama, I am only respecting you because you're my mother. You, I'll beat you blue-black. You people should leave the way now. Let me go inside with my wife. I don't want her mother-in-law or her husband to come here and take her away.
Hey! Let them come! Oh! Let them come! This man will not go inside. He will not go! Mama! That will not happen. So you have the guts to come and take my daughter away from her husband home? Yeah. Eh? I am not in support of this. Hey! God will bear me witness. I am not in support of this. Allow me now. Are you fighting me in my own house?
Mama, you are shouting. Mama, hold on, you are shouting. Let me tell you. I came here on my own. But nobody brought me here.
Enogia, did you just hear her? You heard her? Yes, Leave my clothes! If you go home with me now, I'm going to curse you.
That will be waste of course, oh. Waste of course, I'm going nowhere. Egwilam. I'm going no.
Oh, yeah, Rose,
Mama, this is dream come true. Leave me.
Oh, Rose, let my wife be. Let her be.
Hey! Mama! Hey! Mama, don't die, yo. Don't die, yo. Mama! Hey!
What's going on?
Mama, you dead? Mama, you wanna? Mama, I wanna. What is Mama, I wanna. Mama, if you're pretending, wake up.
She can't be dead.
Am I pretending? I'm pretending. Mama, Mama is dead. She's not pretending. Mama is dead, yo. Mama, you cannot. Mama, help me. Help me. Do something. Because the boy.
Is this love unbreakable? Is this love unbreakable? Love.
Thank God, oh. Thank God this is just a dream. Does it mean J-Boy's mother and the sister are angry with me? Because I got married. So J-Boy is still looking for me. How am I going to see him? I just want to see his face. God forbid. God, please don't allow this dream of my mother getting to die come to pass. God forbid my mother will not die. What is their business actually? What's their business? Why is everybody angry with me for looking for J-Boy? Are they the ones to tell me how to live my life? I'm going to see J-Boy. Holy Ghost fire. J-Boy, I will find you. I have to see you. I must see you. What's their own?
Hello. What are you doing?
Oh, good morning, my love. I am trying to clean the house.
That is not the answer to my question. What are you doing?
Oh, I'm trying to make sure everywhere is neat. Don't you like it?
You good? You okay? Do I look like I need it? Huh? Wait. You are even wearing my polo. Are you insane? Look, I only brought you here to come and service me and go home. Get paid and go home. Not for you to come and show me how much of a good girl you can be. Look, as far as I'm concerned, the only thing that rings in my head is that you are a runs girl. Just do your stuff, go home. Yeah, you are good at it, but you don't know about these ones. House chores, you don't know about them. Now get in there, put on your clothes and get out. Now! Just shut up! Coming to get your money. Go in!
So, all
All these files are the company history. You need to study them carefully. Your job specification is also specified in there. Like I told you yesterday, the company is trying to organize a training abroad for all our zonal coordinators and branch managers.
Ma'am, I'll be happy to be part of the trainees, ma'am. I need the knowledge.
You don't need to worry. I will make sure your name is included in the list of those travelers.
Thank you, ma'am.
So you have to start getting ready.
Sure.
Though we don't know the country yet, but that decision will be made soon.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Amadi. You look cute. Just look at how the suit fits you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Has anyone told you how handsome you look?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for everything. You have really been nice to me here. Thank you for the favor. Thank you.
You don't need to thank me. Like I said, if you are with me and I'm with you, you are not going to lack anything. Okay? I want to give you a khaki.
What?
It's not part of the company's policy, but it's coming from me to you.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's okay. I want you to use it until the company gets you one.
Okay, ma.
Alright?
Okay, ma. Thank you so much. Thank you. How do I say thank you?
You can start blessing me by giving me a kiss or a peck.
Ma'am.
Mama, are you going out?
Yes, so I want to go and buy something to cook this morning.
Mama, you don't have to worry. Let me just sweep this place. I will do that for you.
No, go ahead and do this one. Do you know what? I am very happy for making this Obiozo to be a better person. You have restored his life. Obiozo, a man around town. He's now sit at home, sweeping, running chores. God bless you.
Mama, it's nothing. He cannot be at home while you be doing housework. He has to do it.
Mama, you see, I told you that with her, I am ready to do anything in this house. Sweep, even cut this tree, do everything for you to be happy.
I've seen it. Oh, let me go out. As I go out, I'll buy a card and call your sister. Go with an ego. I made the needful.
It's very important. That one is very nice. Mama, go let us sweep.
Mama, go.
Is this love unbreakable?
Man, I put it to you, you're heartless. Why would you remain in my house when it's already 11 a.m.? You guys don't have conscience in this country.
Boy, this is not fair.
What's not fair?
This is not fair. Why are you doing this to me? Is it because I am a Ron's girl?
Oh yeah! It's because you're a Ron's girl. Man, you get the fuck out of my house. I never called you here to do any house chores for me.
This is not good.
Oh, are you saying that to me? This is not good. Get this shit and get out of here, man.
This is not good.
What's all this?
It's not.
Achima, you called me on phone. What is the problem?
I never told you I wanted a wife. I told you to get me somebody Gabieba Hajim, do something good for me, and she has done it. I appreciated it. Now why is she coming to pretend like I'm one good girl who needs a husband? Then tomorrow I'll be obligated to marrying her. She will remind me how she was there for me when I had nothing. Meanwhile, I'm already J-boy.
My chairman, what I get you is onogo malaria reducer. That's all. Go domestic. What is what it is for me?
Leave.
Just who you are dealing with? Sorry, Chama, sorry. Why now? What is it? What should you? It's just
no problem.
Just get out of my house.
I will go. But please tell him that I am not the kind of woman he thinks of me. I am just being myself. I did not clean his house because I want him to marry me or date me or something.
Your usual language.
Why would he embarrass me?
That is the usual language. You did not tell him you did not clean the house because you want him to marry you. But tomorrow they will come around to remind you how they suffered with you, how they were there with you when you had nothing. Meanwhile, they were only giving you sex. Sex is not being there for a man. Get out.
Hey, Nkole.
Mama, well, I hope you know what you're doing. I sincerely hope. How is this even my business? If Obi wants to get married, that's his call, not mine. Mama, like seriously, even after the slap Obi gave me, you want me to contribute to this? Anyways, I'm not going to live in the house with him. You're going to live with the wife, and you know that girl is not a good girl. Have you thought of how Obi is going to feed the girl? It's not just about marriage. What happens after marriage? Well, Ogazi doesn't have any money. Not even a dime. I'm not contributing a dime to this wedding. It's his decision to get married. He has to take full responsibility for that. Mama, look, I'm very busy at the office right now. Okay? I'll probably talk to you after work. I hope we don't talk about this again. Okay. Bye. What's up?
Babe, what is it?
My dear, my brother wants to get married. No, that's not the news. I mean my jobless brother wants to get married. This brother of mine does not have a job. He lives in the village with my mom. As a matter of fact, I'm even the one supporting him financially. Now he wants to bring in a wife. And they want me, Ogazi, to contribute to this wedding. They want me to finance it. And to think that this brother of mine slapped me the last time I was home because of this contribution thing. And now my mom is calling me. I should come and bring money for wedding.
But, wait so. You once told me about this issue.
I did. But like right now, it's so serious. My mom is on my neck. All the talk now is about contribution. Ogazi bring money for wedding. But as you see me like this, I don't even have 1 naira to marry wife for anybody. After I marry the wife, I'll not be the one feeding the wife.
What a mess marriage that will be. Well, let him get married now. He's not a man.
Am I holding him?
Yeah, he's a man. He can take care of himself.
Say Mario.
Have you noticed something about that new supervisor and madam?
What's up? What about them?
She gave him a car. So fast.
Yes. Wow.
I'm telling you. I'm not saying anything. Please. Not your time.
Wait.
I didn't say anything. I did it.
My Chama, see, that girl's not bad as you think. She's a good girl. I know she came from a good family. Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Look, man, I don't give a damn. I don't want to know. Because those girls, you see, they can bring some uninvited drama into your house, and I don't want it. What are you saying? And I paid her even more than you think. Yes.
Machama, see, I don't know about the payment, but all I know is that the girl, she's a good girl. But what I don't know is the spirit that lures them into this silly act. Yes. This being a Ross girl, standing on the street for men. I don't know, but all I know is this: some of them are good. They are nice girls.
You're wrong. Very wrong. I mean, the only woman who is good in this planet Earth is my Rose, the love of my life. And as long as I've lost her, I am not going to fall in love with any idiot again. It's pay as you go. When you come here, I give you what you want, you display for me. That's it. But make sure you leave 6 a.m. the next morning. You have to tell your girl, because I'm beginning to like her. Yeah. I mean, she's intact, Sha. Yeah, she's got the moves and all that I needed. I'll patronize her more, but tell her to leave 6 a.m. every morning. I don't want to hate her.
My chama, you are just saying it now. You are just saying it. That she's good. Thank God, that is why I told you that the person that I'm about to give you is a malaria reducer. Oh no, go. And you're happy.
Oh wow.
My chama.
You're correct, but you are talking from the angle of someone who has experienced her. Have you?
No, I haven't. It's just that with my spiritual eyes.
What do you want to drink? I can give you what do you want. Check up there.
Chai. So because I'm a Ron's girl, that's why this guy insulted me this way. God, help me to save money and stop this rubbish work. By the time I save up money and start something, let me see any man that will insult me again. By the grace of God, I'm going to be a rich woman in this town. J-boy, one day you will come asking me for loan. You think I was cleaning in your house for you to love me? I don't blame you. I feel so ashamed for what I do for a living.
Babe, Alpha. You saw your face there like this, like best word when no chop sleep last night. You don't go do bad thing again, Abby?
My dear, it's nothing.
It's nothing. You don't go fuck up for my house again. You don't go there, go they wash clothes, they cook food, Abby?
But what is bad about being nice? Eh? Is it a big thing to be a nice person? Is it bad?
Did I just say nice? Eh? Babe, who nice help? Tell me who? I don't tell you tire. Now Ron's girl will be. Let be our dentist. Stop all this your nice behavior. Go there, open your legs, take your money and go. What is it? All this your good girl behavior is not helping you. It's not working. You are making them feel as if you want to show yourself so that they will see you as a nice girl and love you. They won't. No man keeps a Ron's girl that serves him. No man.
But you know I am not like that. You know me now, babe. You know me inside out. I am not like, I'm not doing all this for them to like me or something. It's just me. It's part of me. I can't help it. Eh? Don't I clean your house when I come around? I sweep your room. I tidy everywhere.
But they are not getting it. They don't get it. So stop it. Stop it. They always see you as someone just trying to pretend to be a nice girl so that they will love you. They won't. I've told you before, no man keeps a Ron's girl that serves him. No man. Please. It's okay. Just go inside and rest. Don't kill yourself. Go inside and rest. I hope say you not go do a show free for there. I hope you collect your money. You better go back to collect
that one is
it.
not even the problem.
Going out. Go inside and rest. Hope say you not go do a show free for there. Better go and collect your money.
Hey!
Sweetheart.
Obi, is this you?
This is me.
I never knew you were this handsome.
Hey, look at you. Sweetheart, stop it now.
Is this you, my husband?
This is my car.
Ashiocha.
Yes.
You say lie.
Giving to me.
Hey!
Given to me by the company that I work for. Yes.
Chineke. Yoka! Chineke. Hey! Chineke.
Yes. For as long as I work with them that I can, well and kind of while in.
Hey! No, thank you! Thank you!
Just get around town with this.
So now I can balance in front of a
What are you saying? It's open,
It's open, no!
It's open. Enjoy.
Hey! Chineke!
Hey! Well, let's go. Let's go. Before we get together.
Chimaloka.
Hey!
Hey!
It's very good to be back, Sweetheart.
Mama, one how? Ichie, one how? What is all this thing? Why is Ogas trying to spoil my day because she gave me small money?
I don't blame you. Open your mouth and blab all you want. Call me any name you want to call me. But remember, it is my money that you're going to use to get married. You should be so ashamed of yourself. So ashamed of yourself.
Ogaze, it's okay. I don't know up till now you're not happy that your only brother was to get married.
Ask her. Ichie, ask her. Ask her if she's an enemy of progress.
Mama, did you hear him? Me, enemy of progress. There's no problem. Share is dowry you want to go and pay now. Traditional marriage will stay calm. Then you come and meet me, Ogazi, to beg me for money. I'm here waiting for you, as usual. You come and beg. This time on your knees.
You will bring it too.
Really?
You will bring it. You will just go here. You will bring it.
Come and start taking
Let
the
me
money
see how
from
you
now.
will not bring it. Didn't I tell you in school? When I was giving you money for school fees, did I complain? Don't let me slap you. Nonsense.
They come and start slapping me now. You better slap me now because you will not see 1 naira from me to collect. Nonsense.
Mama, you're not saying anything. You're not saying anything, right?
It's supposed to be your happy day.
But they don't want me to be happy. What is all this witch?
What do you want me
Mama,
to
you don't want to say anything.
What do you want me to say? Have I not given you my blessings? You could have one man. And I people know more. Haven't I said enough already?
Oh, my guy.
I'm here now. What is keeping us?
What is keeping you? How can I ask that kind of question? What is keeping us? Oh, you have been in your house. You are among the people that are frustrating me. You don't want me to succeed and get married. What is all this nonsense?
It's okay.
Where have you been? Where have you been? I don't like this thing. And we are still waiting for other people to come so that I go and marry my wife.
It's okay. Let's go.
Carry the drink. Let's go, Pico. Come on.
Husband material, 0 years.
My God.
You know mouth is too much. How can you be enemy of progress for your own brother? Baby.
Sweetheart.
So we now have a car and a house in the city.
As you can see.
Hey!
Ubo bode jinjin.
Inukwa mama.
Ubo mmiri. Hey! Ogene dey car. Hey, nah. This city biscuit is sweet, oh.
Very sweet.
It's your.
Mama, I'm really happy to be here, and I'm happy that the Lord is blessing us. You see, God really works in strange ways. You see, the kind of favor that I have received where I work is unprecedented. Most people love me, they just want to make my stay there comfortable.
Oh, do you know why?
Why?
It's my prayers.
Hey,
Mama, I pray morning and night for you. I even fast.
This is answered prayer.
Yes, sir.
I'm not surprised.
Thank you.
Rather, I am happy.
Yes, sir.
I'm celebrating the goodness of the Lord.
Amen.
Amen. Like I promised before I left, that once I settle in properly, I'll come for Rose. Now we have a car and then we have a house in the city. So the reason I'm here is to come take you, my darling, with me.
Now, Maka, I am happy to hear this.
Thank you.
I'm expecting it.
Can't keep eating out. when I have you. You know I need your company.
I know.
Well, I hope you're all packed and ready.
Sensei! Immediately you called me. I rushed. Packed everything.
Many we can go today. Instead of tomorrow.
Mama, I can't keep staying in this village without my husband now. Who will be giving me the thing?
Let's stay
August, allow your brother to do what he wants to do. Your brother is an adult. He can take responsibility for his actions. So whatever that comes out of that marriage, he will carry it on his own head. So let's stop this fighting. It's not necessary. Okay, Nido.
Well, I just hope you understand that all of this I'm saying is because of you. It's for your own good. Because at the end of the day, you're going to be stuck in this house with this girl. Mama, this girl is a troublemaker. You know her family, don't you? Her family is reputed for trouble. And you know it. I don't want anyone coming in here and giving you a headache.
And you think I can't take care of myself? You know your mother. I am capable for anything. Fight, kick, wrestling. I am ready. But one thing happened. She came here the other day and helped wash my clothes. Did my dishes for me. In fact, cooked for me. This entire place, she swept it. I had to change my mind. Okay. Saying this girl could be a better person for your brother. So allow them to get married. Let us not be faster than our legs. Let us not go ahead of our shadows. Let them think for themselves. Let her enter first. If she enters first and what I see I did not see again, I will show her the other side of me. In fact, the red side of me. I am ready for anything. Fight in the market, fight in the church, I am ready. As long as I get my happiness. What are you talking about?
Mama, well, you of all people know that marriage is not the ultimate, right? It's not the end. There is more to it. Mama, I am saying this now because I know that at the end of the day, Obi is going to get married to this girl. The next thing, this girl is pregnant. The next calls I'll start receiving is, come and contribute money. Oh. We need money for hospital bills. Mama, nobody should call my number. I am not available. That is why I'm saying it now. I don't want anyone to call me for any contribution whatsoever. Mama, this is me here, putting everything together to get my brother a job in the city. And all he wants to do is to... My goodness. Be stuck here in this village with a village girl.
Why are you like this? Are you God? Okay. Are you God? So all these things got you worried. Leave them to bother for themselves. Leave them to bother for themselves. What is this? Oh, because of this small change you give them, you're beginning to see yourself as the supreme one. Stop it.
Mama, you're the one talking like
yes,
this.
I'm the one talking. Let also get married.
Okay. It's okay. That's fine. Fine by me. If only you know the plans that I had. Mama. You know, in my office, where I was trying to get him a security job, we have responsible ladies that are rich but single. I was sitting here calculating and thinking that when my brother gets to the city, he's going to hook up with one of these girls. And probably one of them wants to favor him and help his life by, just getting married to him, because I know most of those girls are desperate. But who am I? Obi wants to end up in the village like a local champion that he's always been.
Marriage is marriage.
Okay.
Whether in the city or in the village, marriage is marriage. Leave him. Maybe this one will equally change his life. Look at Amadi. Who would have thought by now Amadi would be relocating to the city? So that kind of thing can even really happen to your brother.
Please don't even go there. Don't even mention Amadi. What's the basis for comparison? Amadi and Obi. Like seriously. Mama, it's like you've forgotten. Amadi went to school. His wife is equally educated. Let me ask you again, ma'am. What is the qualification of Obi? Obi did not go to school. You seem to forget that education always paves a way for you no matter where you find yourself. Do you think Amadi would have ever thought of leaving this village if he didn't go to school? How? How is that even possible? Obi didn't go to school. You're comparing Obi and Amadi. How?
Ogazi, can you just hold your peace? Let your brother worry for himself. The trouble, the English now is too much because Obioso decided to get married. Let that girl come first. We'll all put our eyes down and monitor her. If she's going the other way, I'll strike her and kill her like this.
Kole, I don't understand what you're saying. I don't understand you. Please go there and collect this money so that you give me my own share. I don't get you.
Boy. So you are after your own share. You're not bothered about the way he insulted me. Is that it?
Nkole, let me tell you, you are a Ross girl. That is why you girls always say that word. Money for hand, back for grand. What you should be after is the money, the pocket. Not respect there.
Sorry to disappoint you. I want my respect. I need it. I deserve it. What is it? So because I am a Ron's girl, I don't need to be respected. You should insult. Please, I cannot do that. I am a human being, not a thief. You should mind the way he insults me. You should be careful.
See, let me tell you, I don't like the way you're sounding. I don't like it. That guy we're talking about, he has a lot of money to spend. Yes. Besides, since you left that guy's house, since that day that you left his house, till now, he has been saying a lot of good things about you. On how on how The worst part of it is that the girls are brought for him. He keeps complaining about them that they are not good, they are not rendering their services well. He said he needs you. He needs you. Young girl, go and bring this thing. He even said that you are not picking his calls. Why?
I am not going. He should keep his money. I don't need it. Do you know that the way he insulted me the last time entered my bone marrow? The thing pained me so I've not been able to go to work. It's a crime to be a Ron's girl. Why do men treat Ron's girls as scum? He's lucky, very lucky I don't have money and I have not been saving. If I'd been saving for my business, he'd not get him now. He wouldn't be talking to me anyhow. Is he mad?
You see, that is the same thing that I'm saying. It's the same thing that I'm talking about. You made mention of it now that had it been you have money, he wouldn't have talked to you anyhow. That is the same thing. See there, let me tell you, 50k is not here. 50k no dey here. You know they here. Let me advise you again. When next you go to his house, don't sweep. No, to wash plates. Please. Focus on your services. Yeah? What happened? Do the sweet things, all those things. You got that. So that you collect the money.
I know that is what you're after. I've heard you.
Oh, baby. We coming, baby.
What are you doing?
Mama! Ooh, you're not supposed to be here.
You're just shameless. Shut up! What are you doing here?
No, what does it look like I'm doing? Can't you say I'm mopping the house?
Obioso, can't I see you mopping the house? Obioso, you have a newly married girl in this house. That should have been doing this one. You left her inside the house to sleep while you run the chores for her. Poor girl, are you mad?
Mama, what is it? You see, you complain everything. You complain about everything. If I don't do this thing now, you say, Obioso, man around town. He doesn't stay at home. He cannot do anything. Now I'm doing it too. You still complain. Tell me, where did they write it that it's a woman that's supposed to be that's supposed to mop the house? Or a newly married woman that's supposed to mop the house?
Obioso. Obioso, is this how both of you will marry in this house? Pado, get ready. Because me, Ndiamaka, I will not take it from either of you. Because I will always react. Man, I react. And the reaction, you won't stand me.
What are you reacting now? Are you chemical? Tell me now, why are you reacting? Eh? I'm doing this thing for her. Eh? What is wrong that I'm helping my wife to do house chores? If I like, I can sweep everywhere, do anything. It's my house. It is my house. My own house, and you are complaining about it. What is wrong? Can you see, Mama, I'm not happy. I'm not even happy that you left August this morning. She left this house without giving me the money I demanded from her that I'm going to use and eat with my wife. Eh?
You think I'm joking or what? Do I look like a joker to you? Go and wake her up. You think I'm joking?
Oh, Malija! Mama, don't wake my wife, oh. Mama, don't wake my wife up. Leave her to sleep. What is this?
Babe, what's up with you? It's barely 7 a.m. Where are you rushing to?
I don't understand. The last time I checked, the rules and regulations in this house were supposed to be 6 a.m. So, it's morning already and I'm done with my services. Give me my money.
Oh, come on, babe. I mean, take it easy. We are not fighting. Are we?
No, we are not fighting. But if you want, we will. I will give it to you front and back. Plus, I beg. I know if you shout, I know if you won't shout. Give me my money. They tell you say I come here to play. It's gonna be this one now.
That's not the fact here. I was, planning to go to the mall later in the day. I thought you could come with me.
Hey! Nothing calling no go see for this life. Ask what? Ask waiting now. Waiting, I don't understand. Ask your wife, your girlfriend, or your house help waiting. Eh? They tell you say I come here to follow you more. Bros, I beg. I know one shout. I know get strength. It's money. I never chop. Give me my money, may I go. Waiting happen now. Think of this kind of
Okay, fine. There's no point to shout.
Waiting come with this one now. I come here, can't look your face. When somebody try to be nice to you, people take the person for granted. Follow me to the mall. Ask waiting. I can't carry tray for you. I will carry cat for you to shop. Don't try me. It's kind of nonsense. Come with this one.
Here. And my room, we didn't even make the bed or the drinks and smokes on the floor. Clean them like you used to.
I have said this money complete too. I don't want to count and make one shot. The way they look this money, be like say no complete. It's not like the way your ID.
Count it.
Complete. I'll see you next time. Oh, nice doing business with you.
Have you seen it? They will always pretend to be good. Always want you to like them. Now she walked out on me because of money. I mean, you're so lucky I like you. You're so lucky you do well in bed. If not, I would never look your way again.
Look at you. What?
Hey! Is this the house? So you mean this is where I'm going to be sleeping?
Yes.
Hey! Maybe this house is fine.
Remember one time I told you that things would be fine, I will be happy again.
But I'm like, wow.
It has started.
Why you
It
told
has
me?
started.
I am happy. In fact, my name is Happiness. Hey! Maybe I'm Maka.
I'm also happy, baby. Come here. You know my joy. You know my greatest joy.
What?
Is that last night you did not mention that idiot's name. While we made love and we enjoyed ourselves. So I'm asking that should continue here. Because
I like for us to be happy here.
I know.
Yeah?
Remember?
Yes.
I promised you I was not going to shout or scream his name again. Okay. So tell me, where's my kitchen?
No, you should be wanting to see the bedroom, babe. That's where it starts. 1 in the morning. 1 in the afternoon.
Hey.
2 at night.
Yeah, bosom abu.
2 at night. 2 at night.
You could not finish me.
Go his way. I'm just so happy that you're happy.
I'm happy.
Greater days ahead for us, baby.
Amen.
Things are going to get
better. Bosom happiness.
Call
me happiness.
Happiness.
Take it and walk. You cannot be in this house sleeping while your husband does the whole work for you. That will not work in this house.
Mama, what is it? Did I complain? Eh?
Obioso, I allowed you to marry this girl in spite of everything I heard about her. But Omalicha, you will not mess me up in my house. You will not mess up my house. No, never.
Hey.
Take.
Baby, you are seeing your mother now. If I start now, they will say, Omalisha did this. Omalisha did that. Omalisha went to her husband's house to fight her mother-in-law. Mama, what did I do to you now? I am tired and I want to sleep. When I sleep, I wake up and I can do whatever you want me to do. For now, I am tired.
What did you just say? You are tired. You are tired from driving a trailer from Kaduna to Imo State. You are tired from climbing Kilimanjaro. You are tired.
Mama, allow her.
Amanacha, listen. You cannot come to my house and order me around. Rather, it should be the other way around. I order you and tell you what to do. If you don't do it, I will react. Hey, it is just 1 day into this marriage, and you're already showing your true colors. My own color is more than rainbow. I will show you all of them.
Mama, leave her now. Let her go and sleep. When she wake up, she will do it. She will stretch her hands.
Your stupid mouth. May God thunder strike your mouth. I will not do that. Which woman sleeps except if the woman is a cheap woman? Who sleeps in the morning?
Mama, let me tell you, no one orders me around. Go to the village and ask them. Ask them about Omalisha. Not even my own mother. She cannot try that. Allow me to recover from what your son did to me in bed last night. What is it?
You know this girl is a mad girl. You know, so stupid. That is your cup of tea. Take this now and more.
Mama.
That is your...
Mama.
Take it now.
Go inside and sleep. Go inside and sleep. Go inside and sleep.
Go inside and sleep.
Mama, allow her. Go inside and sleep, Mama.
My love. Obi.
Yeah.
Where do I trash this?
There's a trash outside. And I'm not sure where it is. You know what? Drop it. I'll take care of it later.
Oh no, Makambo. So just tell me where to drop it.
Okay, fine. Once you step out of the gate, I think it's to your right, I think. Yeah, but you find the trash where we are, you know.
I don't know, we're not.
Is this love unbreakable? Is this love unbreakable? Love.
Still right in my heart. Are you serious?
Love, trouble.
This is Rose. Rose. My love. Oh my God. Rose. Oh my God. Jaco, is this you?
Is this you? Jaco, is this you?
My love, is me.
Is this you?
I've been looking for you.
I've been looking for you.
Baby.
Oh my God.
I love you.
Oh my God.
I miss you.
Where have you been?
I've been in town looking for you. So what are you doing here?
I live here with my husband. Where do you stay?
What is going on here? Sorry?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry. Who is this? Who are you?
This is J-Boy.
I'm sorry. Who are you?
My husband.
Your husband?
Yes. I'm sorry.
Rose. This is your J-Boy. You chose to embarrass me like this and kiss him on the feet. Go inside. Go in. Rose, go in. Oh, come on, bro. Do you hit women? It's not proper to do so. It's not right. Get it. In.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Get into the house! Please. Get the hands off me. You don't hit a woman. You don't hit her. What's going on? Why are you hitting her? You're asking me. Wait, let me tell you what's going on. It's not. Let me tell you what's going on. Enough of this nonsense from Rose. Listen, wherever you are, just start coming here right now. My worst nightmare has finally caught up with me. Don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. If you don't come here right now, I swear to you, I'm going to kill somebody. Alright? I'm going to kill somebody. I've had enough of this nonsense.